Happy Labor Day everyone! In celebration of this year's Labor Day, magsisale po tayo ng ating online course ng 50% off. Just use the code LABORDAY50 to get 50% off dun sa ating Executive Virtual Assistant Basics. All you have to do is go to the link in my bio and then punta lang kayo doon sa either free community or yung mismong course natin, yung Executive Virtual Assistant Basics. And ilagay nyo lang again yung code na LABORDAY50 and magkikita nyo po na nandiyan nakalagay 50% off. Again, ang code natin is LABORDAY50 to get 50% off on your online course. This is just one day for today lang po or for May 1, 2024 in celebration of Labor Day here in the Philippines. So what are you waiting for? All you have to do is click the link in my bio.